What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, I'm actually be swapping out my exhaust pipes. So right now I just have the muffler delete, headers. I did remove the resonator as well as the catalytic converter, but the car was just super loud. I did not like it. So a few weeks later, I ended up going back and got my resonator as well as my catalytic converter back on to make it quiet. So right now it's just stock pipes, but I actually ended up getting something a little different. We're gonna try it out, see if I like it. Hopefully it's not too loud, and in case I don't happen to like it, maybe I'll just go back to my stock pipes. Okay, so there we got the new pipes that are gonna be going in. Now we're gonna go check up the car. Alright guys, so this is the pipe that we're gonna be removing, and all we gotta do is remove the two bolts holding on, which is right here and on the other side. So there we have that one fully removed. Now we gotta do the back side. All right guys, so this is the same pipe, runs all the way. You can see it right there, and the screws that you're gonna remove are right there. Okay, so this is a pipe that we just removed from the car, and this is going to be the new one that's going to be going in. So basically the only difference is we're going to be removing the catalytic converter as well as the resonator, and we're going to be throwing in a full straight pipe with the resonator and a flex pipe. Also, here's everything we're going to need. We got the screws, the bolts, the clamp, and the gaskets. All right guys, so now we're going to go ahead and install the new pipe on the car. All right guys, so now we're gonna go ahead and install this last pipe, and then we got this clamp right here that's gonna tie it onto the other pipe. Also, before we go ahead and put it on, I gotta remove the old gasket. I forgot to take it out. And then here we got the new one. So we're gonna go ahead and install the new gasket. Okay guys, so now that I got both of the pipes on, I just gotta go ahead and connect it here right in the middle. And like I said earlier, this pipe is gonna go inside here, and then this is gonna tighten them together. All right, so now it's time to tighten everything up. All right guys, so check it out. Looks like I'm all done. So old pipe is out, new pipe is in. Now time to give you guys a first start. All right guys, so here goes first start. All right guys, so I like how it sounds so far. It's very quiet, it's not loud. Like the time that I ended up cutting off the resonator with the catalytic converter, it was just super loud. Nothing compared to this. I'm gonna give you guys a couple revs. There it is, guys. What you guys think? Alright guys, well that's gonna do it for today's video. Go ahead and drop a comment, let me know what you guys think on the new exhaust. Also, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't yet already, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.